Today we're going to walk you through the good trailer GT13. This is a drop deck hydraulic trailer, so it makes the ease of loading substantially better than a traditional non-drop deck trailer. As you notice that we can lift the front and the back to accommodate raising the trailer and lowering the trailer. Here we've got a bobcat with a brush blade on it, and we're able to easily bring the trailer up to height after we've loaded the trailer. In this segment you can see how easy and how fast the trailer drops. Now we're going to put on a scissor lift. It's pretty easy to get that thing on given the porousness of the tires. As you know, with hard rubber tires, they have sometimes difficulty getting up the ramp. The second scissor lift, it's got a motor problem, which is why we had to give a little bit of help. But really easy to get them onto the trailer. And then, as you can see, the trailer lifts real quick. In the overall loading and offloading, you can't beat the GT13 drop deck trailer. Give us a call. Be glad to walk you through all the features and specs.